Have you ever looked at the veins on your wrist and wondered, why are they blue? I mean, blood is red, right? So why do these vessels look like bright blue rivers under our skin? Today we're diving into the surprising science behind it. First, let's get one thing straight. Your blood is never blue. Not even a little. Whether it's carrying oxygen from your lungs or returning to your heart from body, blood is always in shade of red. Freshly oxygenated blood is bright cherry red. Blood that's dropped off oxygen is a darker, maroon red. So, where does the blue color come from? It's all about light and how your skin plays tricks on your eyes. When white light from the sun or a lamp hits your skin, different wavelengths behave differently. Red light penetrates deeper into your skin. It gets absorbed by the blood in your veins. But blue light scatters more easily in the upper layers of your skin. Some of that scattered blue light bounces back to your eyes. Veins are usually located just under the skin. The skin and fat layers act like a yellowish filter. They let some blue light reflect back while absorbing more of the red light. The deeper the vein, the bluer it often looks. That's why veins near the surface can look greenish, while deeper ones appear vivid blue. Interesting fact. This effect is stronger on lighter skin. People with darker skin tones usually see their veins as darker green or brown because they have more melanin, which absorbs more light. Now let's bust a common myth. You've probably heard that deoxygenated blood is blue. That's completely false. It started as a misunderstanding in medical diagrams where they color arteries red and veins blue just to tell them apart. In reality, even deoxygenated blood is still red, just darker. So next time you look at the blue lines on your arms, remember, it's not the blood that's blue, it's beautiful physics happening right under your skin. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button, share it with someone who's wondered the same thing, and subscribe for more science explained simply. Thanks for watching.